Hello everyone, welcome to episode 16 of Weekly Forex Setups. You are on Trade Cryo YouTube channel. This is Taha Khan presenting. If you are watching it for the first time, it is a request. You can subscribe to the channel and like the video. In the episode number 15, I shared 5 forex setups, and unfortunately, not all of them triggered. Just 2 of them triggered, and I made a good profit from them, and the 3 of them did not trigger. So I'll review these in a separate video. Let's just quickly review this week of setups. Well, the first thing first, if you are on Tradingview, you can follow us on here and get the daily idea of what you can trade on. For example, BTC, recently we just posted this chart, and a bearish flag breakout was suggested, and you can see the market was trading at 39,752, and you see the break bro, and currently the market is standing at 37,978, so 2,000 points negative from this analysis. So if you are on Tradingview, follow us on here. Well, let's just quickly jump. The first one is Euro New Zealand. Well, Euro New Zealand, let me just take out the pen. Euro New Zealand is you see the history. First it consolidated, and then it gave a breakout from here, and then we see another consolidation, and then we see a breakout again, and then we see a resistance level and a market fall straight from here till this level. Now if you see, the market gave a breakout from this falling trend line, and market is sustaining above it. You see this area is holding very well, and this you can say is a good consolidation before a breakout. So we see a breakout again, and now market is trading at a very important level. You see this level in the past as well. So this is the important level which you need to watch, and this is the EMA 100 as well. So we are waiting for the break above 1.63315 level, and then we will take the long position. And if you see it on a lower time frame, which is a 4-hour chart, you see this is in a good shape of making higher high and higher lows. This is the higher low recently and on the support, and now the market is trying to make another higher high. So buy on breakout is suggested in this pair. Just wait for this level to be taken out, and then you can enter long in here, and your profit taking level should be 1.65359, and then if you want to carry it more, 1.6800. The next one is EURUSD. Well, if you see it on a bigger time frame, this is a weekly chart. You see the market is in a continuous bearish pressure, and recently market break the COVID-19 low and this area which it was holding it for a longer time. So now we have a sale on strength biased in this pair. The market make a comeback, but this is not any support in the past. So what I am expecting, market will bounce till this falling trend line or this COVID-19 low, and then we will see this EURUSD to fall again till this 1.3699 level. And if you see the importance of this level, here you go. In December 2016 we see a bounce from EURUSD from here, so one can hold position till here, but do not sell on the current level. And if you are selling it, just build the position on the strength till this COVID-19 low, and then you can take your profit till this level. The next one is Australian CHF. Well, this was also in our last week analysis, and it was one of them which did triggered, and it is running in good profit. So you see the consolidation. Let me take out the pen again. You see this consolidation, and the market break from it Now currently it is trading below it, so if you are not in this trade, then you can sell on any strength till this 23.6 level of Fibonacci. This is the good level, as you can see the reaction in the past. So you can continue to sell till this level, and then your profit taking level should be this 38.2% of Fibonacci number. Also this EMA 100 is also respecting Australian CHF very well, you see. So your take profit level can be this area. You can see the reaction here and here, and you can see in here. So we can expect a bounce from here, so you can book profit at this EMA 100. The next one is Pound Aussie. Well, Pound Aussie was also in last week analysis, but the market gave a bounce on Friday, so the plan is triggered for those who are in this trade from the last week. Also this was a good resistance zone. You see, first market is respecting this as a support, and then we see it testing as a resistance, and now market gave a good breakout from here. So one can buy it till this gray area, and then continue to sell or book profit till 61.8% of Fibonacci, and then 50% of Fibonacci number. The next one is Pound New Zealand. Well, Pound New Zealand has also given a breakout, and this was also in our last week analysis. You see, first it gave a breakout from this 100 EMA. You see it is trading above it, and the reaction in the past is very eminent, you see. So it is trading above EMA 100. Also it has given a breakout from this gray area, which it has been testing in the past as a support and then as a resistance. So buy on dip is suggested in this pair till this gray area, and you can book build your position from the current level, and then sell on the above this 50% of Fibonacci number, and then 61.8. Well, these are the top 5 forex setups. I'm adding gold as well, as per the request of many I received on Facebook. So this is the gold analysis, and we have a sale on strength in biased in gold. Well, if you see it on the longer time frame, let me pick a chart. You see this area has been reactive in the past. There you go, and then we see a little bit of hold here, and then we see another rejection. So this is a good strong rejection or resistance area, 1916. You can add position for the short till 1916, and then your profit taking level should be 1878 and 1850. If you see in the past, when the market gave a breakout from this level, the market respected this here, and then we see a break below, and then market retested this level. So two things one can adopt: either one can wait for this level 1878 for the break, and then take short position till 1850, or one can remain sale on strength till 1918 and put the stop loss level till at least 1945. As you can see, this area has been reactive in the past. Well, these are the top 5 forex setups and gold setups. I'll review the last week setups in a separate video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and leave your valuable feedback in the comment section. Goodbye.